you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect the FXPesa with MetaTrader 5. And for this, first of all, you need to create an account, and you can do this simply by clicking on create account. I already have 3 accounts, but make sure that you create your account. Then select right there the MetaTrader 5, then your currency USD, and the leverage what you want. Then after that, once you created your account, they send to your email the details that you need, like your login ID and your password. So make sure that you are holding those details in your email with you. And then after that, there's one thing that you need to do, and that is go to platforms. And then right here, click on the MetaTrader 5 and then do download for Windows. Then click here on the EGM Securities 5 setup, because it's not FXPesa, but they called it EGM. And then we do next, and then he will download right here the setup. And then right now we click here on finish, and then he will start up right here the MetaTrader 5. So what we're gonna do right now is we click here on okay, it's fine. But now we click on file, and then we go right here to open an account, and then we select right here the EGM Securities Limited, next. And then from here, we click here on connect with an existing trade account. And now we go to our email, and then we need to copy paste our account ID right there and our password from here to there. And then we do now finish. Boom, there it is. We connected our FXPesa account with MetaTrader 5. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.